Okay, what is up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We got to talk about Moonriver, right? Ticker symbol MOVR is one that I think you guys should have on your radar. And the reason being is because to me, it seems like we are completing a five-wave structure to the downside. And at minimum, we would be looking for an ABC correction to the upside, taking Moonriver anywhere to about $6 to potentially even $7 a token. And it's at around $4 right now. So that's a pretty big move to the upside. We're going to break down how I come up with this analysis and how you guys can come up and, start to use some of these strategies yourselves as well. As always, the content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. So please be sure to read through the full disclaimer. Now we're going to head on over here to TradingView, and real quick, markets tend to move in 3-wave and 5-wave structures, okay? And so your 5-wave structure is going to be your impulsive move, and then a 3-wave structure oftentimes is a correction, right? So we've had this big move to the downside, and we would be looking for, at minimum, a correction to the upside, potentially even a reversal if we can get a reversal. But for right now, right, we've put in our wave 3 lows. We had a wave 4 here, and we're coming down and making new lows on Moonriver, and this should be coming down right around to this level here, which is going to be just under $4 at 3.91. Okay, 3.915. If we take a look and we're on our daily time frame here, we are putting in a little bit of a falling wedge, right? So if we were to just highlight these trend lines, you can see your downtrend line. All right, both right here, and price action is starting to squeeze in between here, and we would be looking for a breakout to the upside. Okay, that's one thing that I'm watching currently here in development. Another thing is going to be the bullish divergence, right? So we have a low here, and then we have a lower low over here. But when we look at our RSI, we have a low, and then we actually have higher lows over here. So this is a simple term known as bullish divergence, when price action is making lower lows, but the RSI is making higher lows. And then on top of that, we have a bullish chart pattern here forming with the falling wedge. All right, if we wanted to, we could even say, that it's got bullish divergence in this falling wedge, creating a low and a higher low here with a low and then a lower low, right? So we've got bullish divergence on a longer term basis from June to the present. And then we've also got, really since the start of September, it's also been creating some bullish divergence here. We're going to look to see if we can get a potential breakout, but I do think it's very possible it comes down to that 3.91 level very soon, right? And beforehand. And then once we break out past there, or if we hold support there rather, then we would be looking for the move to the upside. Now to the upside, 4.557, that's was our target here basically for this wave 3. You can see that that area turned to a little bit of support, and then we tried to use it as support here. Ultimately, we could not. We flipped it to resistance. So 4.557 is going to be a big level to the upside. You want to be cautious of a look above and fail, right? So if price consolidates, squeezes through here, we get the breakout, we reject there, and we actually come back down into this range, into this original pattern right here. That's what's known as a look above and fail, and it's significant because at the breakout and retest, this is the opportunity for bulls to step in and push price higher, right? The opportunity for bulls is right here at this moment. Okay, and if they don't take advantage of that opportunity, what it's going to tell you is that, hey, bears are actually in control of the price action. They push price action back down into the range, and most likely being that they're in control, we're going to break through support and head to the lower end of the range. So that's something you want to be cautious of. Some of the other main levels to the upside are going to be 5.112, 5.456. And ultimately, a 23.6% retracement is going to bring us up to $6.05. Okay. And that is basically your, the lowest retracement level that you typically get in a retracement. And again, going from, the highs here to the lows, that is the move that we would be looking for, is right around to $6.05. If it wants to retrace further upwards, all right, it would, be targeting around $7.37. So that's my quick breakdown on Moonriver, why I'm paying attention to it. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are down below. If you'd like to support the channel, you can use the link in the description to head on over to my Ko-Fi page. You guys can buy me a coffee on there as a, kind of a way to tip. You can do that one time, or you can set up monthly. You can also commission a video, right? So if you guys would like a specific video on a specific topic, this is where I'm doing all of the viewer requests. Okay. As the channel has grown a little bit more, I can't really do all of the viewer requests. I was doing them for free for, a good year or two almost. And so now, the channel is growing a little bit. And if you guys do want to request one, it does cost, but it's only $6.99. It's not a big fee. Okay. And this is just a way for, me to, make sure that, I'm making content for people that actually want it. Okay. Not people that are just, spamming the comment section with something and then, they never go watch the video, or, they don't really, basically understand what it is that I'm trying to say. So this is a good way for you guys to request it, and you can come in here and you can be specific and put, what exactly it is that you want me to cover, why, any questions that you have. All right. Now, I also do have a free newsletter called Investment Intelligence. You can sign up for that using the link in the description as well. There's also a website associated with the newsletter, so you guys can actually go back and read some of the old newsletters that have been sent out, and it puts it kind of in this blog style format. Really, really good content, really good information, coming in this newsletter. Okay, I promise it's not going to be spam, and not just spamming you guys with a whole bunch of affiliate links or anything like that in the newsletter. So, if you guys are fans of, free trade setups and free trade ideas, and you guys also are fans of free valuable content, then I highly recommend signing up for the newsletter.